So Jeremy, can you tell us more about your work on video monetization at Adobe?
Sure. Adobe's work on video monetization centers around our solution called Adobe Primetime. Adobe Primetime is one video platform for the publishing, advertising, and analytics of video. It allows us to help media companies, whether they be programmers or operators, to better capitalize on broadcast video across every connected screen. We're doing a number of things, including consistent playback using one video player that enables you to deliver secured content across live, linear, or on-demand or catch-up content. It also has one ad platform that enables dynamic ad insertion across all sorts of content, whether that be catch-up or live linear content, also across any sort of connected device, whether that be a smartphone or a mobile device, like a tablet or a gaming console. And then lastly, it has a strong analytics component of one data toolset that enables for both content and ad analytics, helping you to better drive insight into action as you're looking to optimize both engagement as well as revenue with your digital video ad strategy.
And how can TV operators and broadcasters turn viewer demand for multi-screen video into meaningful revenues?
Sure, there's two things that we see in the market that we think will enable programmers and operators to more effectively build revenue. One is around scale and reach. So one of the challenges that's come into the market with device fragmentation is how do I consistently deliver an experience to my consumers across all the multitude of devices? And so whether it's an iOS device or an Android device, smartphone or tablet, it's made it very challenging for media companies trying to reach their consumers to deliver a consistent experience across those devices. And so solving for reach is one of the things that programmers and operators need to do in order to effectively build their business around this digital video landscape. The other thing is around personalization. There's a real opportunity to take the data and the analytics that companies have in order to deliver a more personalized experience for their audiences. And whether that's personalization of the content or personalization of the advertising, being able to leverage what you know about your consumers in order to develop and provide a more personalized experience is a great way for those companies to help build revenue around this quickly shifting landscape.
Great. And what benefits do these strategies bring operators beyond revenue generation?
Yeah. Beyond revenue generation, the real benefit for operators from executing against an effective monetization and engagement strategy is really building the relationship with audiences. As audiences have more choices in where they can gain access to content, operators continue to reinforce their relationship with their subscribers will enable them to continue to offer more services and expand their revenue opportunities with their consumers over time.
And finally, could you tell us a bit more about activating audiences with data?
Sure, so a key component of the Primetime solution is bringing one data tool set for both content and ads. And what that enables a programmer or an operator to do is to understand how content and ads work together so that you can maximize engagement as well as maximize ad revenue. And believe it or not, historically, content analytics and advertising analytics have been kept in separate in silos. And so bringing those together and being able to offer one data set that allows you to look at things like real-time dashboards or comprehensive analytics so that you can make the most revenue from your content, but also make sure you're driving the best engagement experience as well. One area where we see this very applicable is in live content. And so if you're trying to provide an effective strategy around live content, you want to understand where you should be inserting ads, what the ad load should be around that content, and what is the right mix between content and ads. The analytics component of the Primetime solution enables the programmer or the operator to most effectively figure out that balance and make the most revenue while extending the most engaging environment for their audiences. We're really enjoying the show today here. Me and my colleagues from Adobe have had a chance to have some great conversations with a number of innovators in the IPTV space. And so being a part of this environment and seeing the innovation and the advancements that are taking place really makes us excited about where the entire digital video space is going.